Hey everybody, it's Angel from Halo Inspirations. We give you inspirations to help you spread beauty and joy through your quilting journey. Happy hump day to you. It is Wednesday. Whoop whoop. And happy Christmas Eve. That's what we say at our house, but I realize it's the eve of Christmas Eve. So wherever you are and whatever you say in your home, happy Christmas Eve or happy Eve of Christmas Eve. And yes, I have notes because I don't want to forget. This isn't a typical video that I do. And I take notes anyway, but this is just chit-chatting and I don't want to forget anything. You know, here at Halo, we picked a word for the year of gratitude. And there's something really special that happens inside of you. I hope I don't cry. When you start to reflect on things that you're grateful for. And I sat down before I did this video and really thought about the things that I'm grateful for, not just in Halo. I did it personally too. So I've got a laundry list. I mean, that's a terrible saying. I've got a long list of things that I'm so grateful for. And I wanted to take this time to share some of that with you, especially on the Halo side, because that's where I think it matters to you. And I might be wrong. Maybe you want to hear some of my personal, just let me know. But I wanted to share the Halo side. First and foremost, we all at Halo are very, very grateful and feel so much gratitude that you have allowed us in your home, in your sewing rooms, alongside of you with your sewing machines, the opportunity for us to walk alongside of you while you spread your beauty and joy through your quilting journey. I know that sounds really cheesy, but I truly, truly mean that. It is such an honor to stand next to people who are so creative and so caring and so giving. And that is something I am most, and we all here at Halo are most grateful for, plain and simple. This is our 50th video for the year of 2020 as of right now today. And in reflection of that, I am grateful that we have the ability to share a little inspiration, to have the ability to share some knowledge by teaching with all of you. It is such something that I personally am very grateful for. So if YouTube, you're listening, I want to say I'm grateful, and we at Halo are grateful for the opportunity and the ability that you have given us all, because it's not just the ability to share and to watch, but it's a connection that we can all make with each other across the entire world. It's such an awesome little forum that you have given us, and I'm very, very grateful to be able to have people in my sewing studio and to walk into theirs. So that is something else that I'm very grateful on this 50th video anniversary. So I wanted to share that. And then just speaking on that, you know, knowledge is not power. You know, we have, some of us have grown up with the idea that now we've all heard the saying, knowledge is power. It's not. It's in the application. So when you go out, we all done it. We've all done it. If you want to learn something new, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner quilter or if you've been quilting for 40 years and want to learn a new technique or get some information about how to make what you're doing better. We all go out and watch different things, and it doesn't have to be YouTube per se. It can be a class that you take. You can call your best quilty friend. You can go to a quilting bee. There are so many different ways to learn these things. But once you start applying that knowledge, that's where the power comes in. And it comes in to help you be a more skillful and better quilter. But when you share it, when you share that work, whether it's in our, group, the Creative Kingdom, or if it's in another group, or, at your guild or at your quilting bee, we all gain together from your power. It gives us that knowledge that we can take that information and apply it ourselves and become better for it. Because the quilter we are today is not the same quilter we are tomorrow when we start to apply the knowledge that is shared amongst each other, which is one thing that quilters, if you watch my introduction video, one of the things I say is that they make these differences in their community. Yes, by building quilts and sharing them, but also by sharing and teaching each other. It's just one of the most beautiful parts of quilting that I personally am grateful for. So sharing that inside the Creative Kingdom or various other Facebook groups, or, with your BF quilty friend, right? That's where the power lies. And I'm grateful that I get to be a part of that kind of industry, and that we all are growing as people and as quilters. Now, last but not least, I'm putting my notes down here. I want to say thank you for letting me talk your arm off, because we all know, for those who've been around for a little bit, for those of you that are new, you're going to learn this. I like to talk. So I thank you for that. I absolutely thank you. But in those thoughts, today I want to listen. I want to listen to you. Now, we do have content that is in the plans 6 to 8 weeks out. And I really try to listen in various different ways, how to get that content to deliver to you, to make, to give you education, or to give you inspiration, or to have a little fun, whether they're product reviews, or a new quilt, or a new block, or a new piecing, or a new method in general. I mean, labels, for instance. So we already have things in the plans, but I really want to take this time to listen and hear what it is that you personally would love more of from Halo. This is my turn, and all of us at Halo, to hear your thoughts and what you want. So if you would drop a comment down below and tell us that, we are going to take all those comments, and the only thing I ask is that you use the word thoughts. So if you use thoughts, and then give me, and all of us here, some thoughts on what it is that you would like to see more of, you'll be entered into a drawing for a free one-time discount code of $25 at our shop. And we'll send that to you. It'll be a winner that we'll pick amongst all of the comments. So you make a comment here on YouTube, and you'll be put in a drawing for a one-time discount code of $25 at our shop. Now, a couple of things about that. It's going to create a little more work, but this isn't about work. It's about giving back to the listening that we want to do, and to you. I am also going to be on Facebook Live. I do have some followers that either have trouble commenting on YouTube, or they don't do YouTube. So I'm going to do this same kind of forum inside of Facebook today at 3 p.m. I will be live, so you can come join us there. You can ask me any questions at that point. We can just chit chat. We can have a little Christmas Eve fun. But you can comment on either side. Now, you'll only get entered once. So if you comment on YouTube and you comment on Facebook, you're going to be only entered once. But I wanted to give the opportunity for you to put a little of your wants and desires for the year of 2020. And next Wednesday, we're going to announce the winner. Now, our shop is only, at this point, able to ship inside the United States. I don't have it set up yet where we do international, and I want to hear yours too. So I thought if you are an international winner, I will send you something small personally that will be within that same kind of range. But I wanted to be able to give to you also. So that'll come from me personally. If you are an international outside the United States person, I wanted to be able to give you something also. I didn't want to exclude you because I really want to hear everybody's thoughts. So that's how we're going to do this. It'll be one winner, both sides. You have one chance to enter for that $25 gift card. And there are some things coming down the line at Halo's Inspirations online shop. So you may want to have that $25 on your belt. 25 bucks goes a long way. And I don't know about y'all, but I always say if it's free, it's for me. 25 bucks free, I'm on it. So, love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and share. Come on over on Facebook. I'll do that live on our page. The link will be down below. And above all, Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you for giving us all such a wonderful year of giving, creativity, inspiration, care, and support. We thank you a million times over. And next year is exciting. We've got a lot of neat things, which I'll talk about next week, and I'll announce the winner next week. But until next time, guys, may y'all continue to be inspired, productive, and joyful. And never stop making your dreams in quilting come true. And I want to add one last time, I hope and pray your homes this season are filled with the magic of the season and with love, hope, joy, happiness, and peace. May God continue to bless every one of you. And Merry Christmas. I love y'all. Happy quilting. See y'all soon.